Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I'm coming on to do a album share with you guys. Yes, this beautiful folio album that we made for our Kit Club project, and I just wanted to show you guys. This was the original one, and this is what we done during our class for our Kit Club. And this tutorial is on my website. It's called Mint Wishes, so if you would like to purchase it, it's on my website. I'll put the link down below. So if you want to purchase it, you can just hop on over to scrappinitup.com and purchase the tutorial. Okay? So this is what we done during our Kit Club project. Sorry, ladies. Jeez, can't talk. So I just embellished it with some of the cut-aparts from the collection. This is made with a Simple Stories Vintage Christmas paper line, and it is a folio. It does have an inch craft text spine here, and there's the back. And I did make this in one paper pack. It was pretty tight, but we made it. Okay, so it just had a ribbon closure. And I'll try and keep this in camera, ladies. Okay, so you have a double stacked pocket here, and we made some photo cards to go on here. And then just slide right back in the pocket. And then I made some to go up here. Aren't those darling? I just love this paper line that Simple Stories came out for Christmas this year. So a lot of this album I had to incorporate some cardstock in because I just wanted to use one paper pack. Okay, so we put Love, Joy, and Santa over here. Okay, so this flips open, and you have a pocket here and a pocket here, ladies. This was a really fun, quick album to make. So you could put a picture here or journal, or just totally up to you. And then we have an inch space here to where you can put any kind of lettering that you want. Okay, then it flips. And then this opens up. Just a second, I have to scoot it over. And we have a pocket here, ladies. And we didn't decorate the back because we didn't want to bulk up the album anymore. We want to save our bulk for our pictures. Yes, pictures. And then I just added a piece of cardstock just to decorate it up a little bit. This album, or this folio, does have 3 pages in it. Okay. And then we have another pocket here with some photo mats. So you could put a picture here, journal, put a picture here, journal, you know, just pretty optional album. And then, whoops, then we have a pocket here, okay, for some photo mats. And then we have a pocket here. And I love that Santa Claus. Ain't that just darling? I love it. And then a piece of cardstock there. Then this flips open. And then that flips open. And this photo album, I think we figured it would hold at least 75 pictures in here. You know, it could probably even get 100, just depending on your size, size of your photos, but at least 75 photos in here, ladies. So then you have a photo mats here. Lots of pockets, ladies. I know you guys like pockets. And then that opens up. And there is the back of our album. So that is my Christmas folio. It's called Mint Wishes. And it is, I do have the tutorial. inside my shop that you can now purchase if you would like to make this album. All right, that is my Christmas album. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you'd like to purchase it, go over to scrappinitup.com and pick up your tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.